Join us on this garden transformation where we show you exactly how we took this and turned it into this. Step by step, start to finish. I hope you enjoy. We're all sheeted up. Take the existing patio. Now we need to build a little ramp for the digger and dumper to get up and down. Connor!
Yeah.
Connor!
Yeah.
We ain't got time for sitting down. Oh, you're over there. Sorry, mate. Pinned it down to the ground, stop it sliding when we're taking stuff in and out.
Why do you think I'm letting you go first?
It looks a big slope from up here. It's time to get the dumper out next. Let's see how Connor gets on with the dumper. Getting that down the little slope. Just topping the fuel up so it doesn't get fuel starved going down the slope. That is confident, very confident. Not a problem. Yesterday we managed to get the machine in. We marked out some lines where the path's going from there to there. Bit of a planter here. Planter going that way, match up with those. And then this has been replaced for a bit of a porcelain feature. Where all the muck's going to. And we'll get our grab lorry and go and collect it later. Just been and fetched the stone from the quarry. We'll take this turf away once the lorry's empty.
Clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone.
It's the end of day one. About 15 tonne of stone in, tracked it in and whacked it in layers. The sun's been beating all day. Today we're going to dig a footing from there down to here for the planter, and then from here all the way over to just where that red line is, and then a return for the wall. because we've built up about 2 foot now. We're just showing Connor a trick I learnt off an old machine operator. So you run out of line spray, you can use cement. Get a bit of cement, you go down your line. Create yourself a nice cement line if you've run out of line spray. Works well on big areas. Took a foot in, concrete's ordered, so I'm going to nip to Chippy and have some dinner.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
If you're wondering how we square off, know where the path's going, we've squared off these steps, which we know are nice and square with everything else, because we put them in 3 years ago. So squared a line off, transferred it down to the footing, and then squared it off, going that way, and then going that way. And then we can build our wall in, and we know that everything's at 90 degrees to the path. Today we're going to lay the blocks. I made a start yesterday, but we finished early. Go out in the grab lorry. But today I'm going to try and get all of the blocks down, or majority of them.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost
So I've built the walls. I don't claim to be a brickie at all. I'm not very good at brick or block work, etc. We'll manage to get them level with each other through there. Bang on. So then we're going to put the returns on at a later date. Yeah, down. But that's it, mate. I don't know what else to say. We're just doing it. Stop videoing now.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
Are we doing a good job? Oh. Connor's up there just finishing that bed off, and I've made a start on the steps. I'm going to run a row of blocks in there, concrete behind it, and then do another row of blocks on top of the concrete at the back. Fill out with concrete and then go again, and then return both of these walls back on top of the concrete steps as well. So everything's in concrete and cased in concrete. The customer wanted to keep this deck in, but obviously the levels that we've put in are far higher. We've now finished the retaining block work. Just got to do the 2 returns on the step and the rest of the steps. And then we're going to have to get some soil in to fill up this void, which doesn't look a lot, but I think it'll be about 15 tonne to go in. So got a sweat on already. It's the hottest day of the year today. I'm just building some steps. I don't know if I recorded this on last video. I'll clean up the back of the wall. We will return it there as well. And then the perforated pipe runs out the wall so the water can get away down the garden. Because it's been rendered behind, it stops any moisture building up behind it. It's the same story there. Just dropping in some sleepers and extending the height of this. You ready for a good day at work?
Yes, I love the work.
Just finished whackering this landing pad. So there's a bit of paving going down here. So the path runs down the steps onto a bit of a landing pad. A few slabs up to the garden shed. I think we'll start getting it laid in a moment.
I'm not ready yet, ready to begin.
Not been videoing because it's been too hot. The lads have got a load of topsoil in today, sort of see the levels coming together now. So there's part 1 finished. I hope you people have enjoyed watching this video. Part 2 will be out in another week or two's time. If you like and subscribe, you'll know when it comes out. I'll see you on the next one.